So how was your experience at today's L Mentor session?
Our overall experience was quite good, and for the first time I saw the way it has been organized is also again impressive, because the feedback pamphlet was again a good thing, where there were suggestions also what we should do with regarding our child, that what are the things, the areas of concerns, and plus there were also many other new things that I saw there, ki more focused on individual child, like we should, every parent will give their feedback, and that gives more importance कि स्कूल में हर एक बच्चे को कितनी प्राथमिकता दी जा रही है, अहमियत दी जा रही है, और बारीकियों में चीज़ों को देखा जा रहा है. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड. प्लस इन जनरल इफ आई सी beside this setup and the way this PTM was conducted, in general also school plays a more important role in overall development. Co-curricular activities हो गई या morning assemblies होता है, तो activity wise not only in subjects but activity wise also overall things are quite satisfying for me as a parent.
Did you find the teachers' feedback helpful and clear?
Yes, very helpful, and here I got to know many things which in general I couldn't know about my child, though she's good at in her subjects, but still there are many other various aspects of children personality that every parent must know. और मैंने देखा है कि टीचर का जो इंडिविजुअल अटेंशन है बच्चों पे वो अच्छा है, इसीलिए वो बारीकियों में चीज़ें बता पाए कि इसका स्पीडिंग स्लो है, या सो एंड सो एरियाज आर वीकर, प्लीज़ मोर फोकस ऑन दैट, एंड द सॉल्यूशन हाउ टू डू, हाउ अ पेरेंट एंड अ टीचर कैन बोथ मैनेज द थिंग्स एंड टू ब्रिंग आउट अ बेटर पर्सनैलिटी.
What is the one thing you love the most about us?
I think the response of teachers and the cooperation and the behavior of her teachers. Not only about her class 1 teacher, but also like it has been second year of her in Mount Litera. So I've seen staff are very cooperative. हर एक subject के teachers, be it English, be it Hindi, be it her class teacher, all the subjects. Every teacher has been very cooperative with us. So the best thing I like about the teacher is their behavior, and that is what matters the most. That shows us कि हमारा बच्चा is in safer hands. Every parent is being concerned for their children, क्योंकि आजकल के टाइम पे it's very important for a parent to know क्या individual attention हो पा रहा है बच्चे पे, the goods and bads, the pros and cons of the child. That is all what I have to say.